Hey guys, it's Joss here with Dan Plowman Team Facebook Live. Super stoked to have another wonderful virtual open house today on this awesome Saturday. We're located at 270 Coventry Crt in Oshawa, right at Wilson and Adelaide. But before we begin the tour, I just want to have a little quick chat to say hello and reference my last video that I did. I mentioned in our last video that our team relies heavily on statistics and numbers, and even more so during this tumultuous time that we're navigating through. And I mentioned that yes, numbers are down compared to our typical spring market that we typically experience, but lots of activity still happening. As a matter of fact, in the last 2 weeks in Durham, we've had almost 350 new listings and almost 200 sales. So as you can tell, the activity is still happening, and we as a team are here to help those people that need to buy and sell. And our virtual open houses that I hope that you've been following are just one of the many tools that we've created during this time to help our sellers. And if you have any further questions about the tools that we have and how we can best help you get your home sold during this time, don't hesitate to give our office a call at 905-668-1511. So let's begin. As I said, we're here at 270 Coventry Crt in Oshawa at Adelaide and Roslyn. It's a it's a semi-detached 4-level backsplit that actually features 2 kitchens in it. The location is fantastic. Court location, so great for families, nice and quiet. So many amenities, super close, shopping, schools, walking paths, trails, parks. We're actually very close, 2-minute walk to the Harmony Creek Trail, which is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so I'm going to turn you guys around and we're going to take a walk through this new listing. So we've got lots of parking here, probably enough room for 4 cars or so. We're going to come through here, our front entryway, and walk into the foyer with our front hall closet here. On this main level, it features hardwood floors throughout. You've got your living space here with a big, bright bay window in the front. And then lots of wall space for your TV and pictures, etc. We've got a separate area here that you could utilize as a dining space if you wish, or you could do some sort of study nook or computer area or whatever it is that you wanted in here, but great to use as a seating area because we do not have an eat-in kitchen. Here we do have the kitchen coming from the dining room. And we've got your fridge, your stove, your over-the-range microwave oven, and of course, nice big bright window while you're doing your dishes. As you can see, there is no dishwasher, but room for a little pantry here if so wish. But we actually have right here a very large pantry for extra storage, etc. So as I said, it is a back split. So we've just got a few stairs here that we're going to walk up to our 2 bedrooms up here. Here's our linen closet here on our left-hand side. And this would be the kids' room. As you can tell, it is the kids' room here. We've got new windows in the back on this level as well as the lower level. So nice, big, bright windows. And a really great backyard. They actually have a nice little fire pit there and another little patio area there. And as you can see, a shed for storage of your lawnmower, rakes, etc. And a nice, good size double closet for the kids' room. We come out here and head to the master bedroom on the upper level. Huge master bedroom. Up here is the original plank hardwood floors. The lower level was the updated hardwood flooring, but a massive, huge master bedroom area. And again, you've got your double closets here. Nice neutral paint job throughout. Here's just a little cubby, a little storage area for whatever it is you'd like. And of course, access to the attic. And then a linen closet, a second linen closet here. So lots of storage space for this property. Bathroom with a new surround in it. And tiled floors, sorry, laminate floors. It's like a linoleum laminate, if that's such a thing. Separate side entrance, and there's your side entrance to the house for whoever was going to be in the lower level to come through. And again, we've just got a few steps coming down here. And we're going to come to the 2 bedrooms on this level. So again, really nice and bright because we're a backsplit, big windows, good size, lots of closet space in both of the rooms. And this would be technically the 4th bedroom. Lots of space, big windows. We'll get another gander of the backyard out here, your fire pit, another nice little interlocked area for dining. And once those trees grow in, it'll be really beautiful to hang out in the summertime. And just a little storage nook there. And so we're going to go to the lowest level of this home, and this is actually where the kitchen is. We've got fridge, stove, sink area. In here is the laundry and the electrical. So in order to have laundry upstairs, there's a little spot you could do a stackable laundry in the kitchen area, or you could use some of the dining room area. I've seen that done with the secondary laundry up there. And here's just the furnace and storage area. Can't find the light in here, but it does have lots of storage for whoever was living on this. There we go, living on this level. So again, lots and lots of storage. And it is gas forced air. It does have air conditioning. And yeah, so coming back up here, we'll just get back to the main level and finish it off. So we've got a semi-detached 4-level backsplit and located on a quiet court location. Very flexible closing. The owners are super flexible, so we could accommodate whatever it is that a buyer would want. If you have any further questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Dan Plowman team, 905-668-1511. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me today, and look forward to the next one. Have an awesome day. Bye.